Hello everyone, it's Rita here, and I am going to do a flip through for the journal, the ring bound journal called Midsummer's Dream. It's a kit that was designed by Joey Cardmaker, and I've added, some of my own pieces of fabric and pieces of papers and things like that. So to start off, I was going to count the pages. I don't know how many pages are in here. I don't know, probably 20 or yeah, maybe 20. So would that be what, 40 pages, both sides? I don't know. Anyway, there's plenty of room for journaling in here. And then it's 8.5 high. Let me just make sure. It is 8.5 high by 5. It looks like 5 3/4 wide. Okay, so here's the, whoops, this is other stuff. Here's the ring part of it here, and then this is the back. I didn't put anything on the back. I put metal corners on the corner here, and then in the front I have this key that is just tied onto this ribbon. So you can wrap it around and tuck the key under to close it, or you can do it the other way. Okay, I have two little angel wings here. Maybe they're called fairy wings, I'm not sure, but I thought they were cute, and some flowers. And then inside this first page is a Edith Holden, I hope I'm in screen, Edith Holden book page. Here's our first page, and this is the Ivy, I believe is her name, of that fairy. And then I have a jewel that's glued on to here. Oh, before I go any further, I did make a piece of something, glue. I made a writing board, okay, and it says right here, writing board, and these are the fairies that were in the kit. And so when you turn the page, like if you got this here, you will have a writing board to help you make it more stable. It's not going to be perfectly stable. You're not going to write on that because, nobody wants to write on her. So this is the next page here. And again, we have a board here. So if you move this out of the way, you can actually journal on this page without a problem. That's why I left these like that, so that they could be moved out of the way when you journal. Or you could, take these off if you'd like and just use them however you want. This one here, I'm not sure if she's Marigold or forgot what the name of her is, but anyway, she's right there. And then on the back here, this is a little flip that I did that has, whoa, that is unglued. Now that is strange. Huh. Okay, well, I will fix that. Oh, don't know what the deal is. Very unusual. That one is too. It could have a lot to do with our, oh, this is that sticky stuff I used on my sticky board thing. Well, if it's going to do that, I think I'm getting to the point where I'm not going to recommend that for most people. Anyway, you can journal here, and then here we have these 3 little circle cards in the pocket along here, and you can add another journal card in there if you have one that you want. I'm sending with this all the leftover, let me show you, the leftover pieces of ephemera. I made this little booklet thing, and inside here I've got a few pockets, some of the kit things, and so if you want to add more, you can do that. And if you're new to journaling, maybe hold on, if you're new to journaling, you might just get a way to kind of practice putting other ephemera in. Sorry, I didn't give you more room to tie. Okay, so that's that, and I'll come back and we'll fix that. Yeah, that is so strange. Here's another journaling space here. We have a little fairy down at the bottom. Some more journaling, and I just use fabrics and miscellaneous things to glue to the edges on the inside there. And then this is the Poppy, which she's one of my favorites. And then you get this cute little gem, I guess, or this jewel, the red one. And then here we have a little, this is clipped on here. I mean, so it doesn't open up. And then we've got a journal card inside here. This is the Poppy from Edith Holden. And a place to journal here. And then we have a little pocket here with this little card in it. And I kind of just fussy cut it out. And then that just gets kept up there with that little paper clip. Oh, and I'm sorry, this one also has journaling here and a journal card in here, which I need to go back now and sew around that. I forget I have stuff in the book, I'll tell you. And I go through it, I don't know how many times, trying to figure out what's left to do. Here's another little journal card, front and back. I keep thinking it's supposed to open. And here we have some journaling space, and journaling here. Here we have this little pocket, and inside there we have this little journal card. You can write on the back of that. And these two little journaling spots. And this just wraps around like so. And this one is a little booklet here, just one little page of writing. Okay, and then I need a journal card up here, which I forgot. Okay, I'll have to do that. I thought I was done. And we have journaling space here. Then here's another gem that I've added to the blue one. This was old vintage costume jewelry. And here's a little pocket made with vellum, and looks like that. It's a piece of lace. And then this one is the journal card here, and it has two little tags inside there, and this is from Edith Holden, the bird. So I just fussy cut him and glued him on there. So yeah, that was fun. Alrighty, and then here's some more journaling space, and here's a little charm, little butterfly. And then here we have a belly band, and I have Edith Holden book there, part of her book. And then I have this little charm that I just attached to the ring there. And then this little cheesecloth just pops out like that. Okay, and then that's on the back, that cheesecloth. And this page has a little booklet in it, a little notepad with a piece of vellum on the front, and that vellum matches this vellum. And these were from Joy Cardmaker, but another kit. I don't remember exactly which kit they go to, but yeah. And then here I just tied a little bit of lace there. And I don't think this, oh, and this is, I didn't tie it. I put the journal card in here. And then I tied the lace at the top. Cute. And then this side is just sitting here. I could put another pocket on it. This one here is just a dangly little charm thingy on this purple. Lavender, I think is what her name is. And then here I have a pocket. This is held on with a paper clip, or this envelope type thing that opens, and then this sits inside of that, which is just a place to write on. You can fold this all the way down and write. And then in here is a writing space. And then that just gets clipped in here with this. And it's not always that easy to, because I put this zigzag edge, which was a mistake. Because, oh my goodness, come on. There we go. Yeah. Anyway, this I think was one we made with Roxy Creations on one of her weekly. I got 2 pages stuck in there. Okay. And then this page for journaling. And then this is the other orange lady. I can't think of their names. Isn't that awful? I just don't know. Anyway, she has a little pearl on hers. And then back here we have this little corner pocket, and this flips out like this. And then we've got these 2 little cards in here you can write in. You can write on the back of this one. There's this one for journaling, and then this goes back this way. And we have a little journal card here, journal space there, and some more little cards. So that just all goes like that and fits in that corner pocket. And then you've got journaling up here too. Okay, and then here we have a little pocket here for a journal card. I can't believe I missed all these things. I just must have been another world. Little charm here, a leaf, little green color leaf, and journal writing up here. And then this is the back page with my little nameplate, I guess, signature plate. Anyway, so was it I missed something in it? Where's that pocket? Because I have this little, not this one, I don't know if that'll go, but I made this with a little paper journal thing in it, and this was from things that I got from Lisa in my Happy Mail, and I thought I'd just put that in with that kit. I think that looks okay. I hope whoever gets it will like it. It's kind of a special, and it has that rosebud button on there. So this has been spoken for, and if the person who is planning to purchase it decides that they're not going to, I have another person in line, and then I will bring it back open to everybody else. So anyway, I hope you guys like this, and I'm not going to tie it up because I need to oh, I lost the beads, 2 of them. Oh, I've got to go find beads now. There they are, right there. They're so delicate, they just pop right off. So I will find some other beads for those. And then like I said, I have this little packet that I'm going to give with it, and then I'm going to also put this little envelope in there, and it's got a little charm, a little dragonfly, and then in here is a little journal card. I didn't glue it into the book. I didn't know where to put it exactly, but I just wanted to pass it on to somebody who might have fun playing with that. Okay, so that is it, and I'll have any information that you need in the description, and I hope you enjoyed the series, and I had a great time with it. I loved it, even though I forgot stuff. I just thought it felt like I was working on it for a long time. The little charm here with a little flower that's kind of pink, and then we have the leaf charm. I thought I had another charm somewhere. But every page, every fairy has her own gem. Okay? So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.